Do you want to learn how to earn up to $140 every day by doing simple tasks online as watching videos? Well, all you need to do is simply follow the instructions in this video. You will play a video as the first step. The second step is to give at least 10 seconds of your time and watch those videos. And the third step is to take your earnings and cash them out. Consider this if you're curious about how much money you can make viewing videos online. You can easily earn $45 if you watch for 1 hour. You can make $90 by watching for 2 hours. You can also earn $140 by watching for 3 hours. Remember that you may repeat this process as much as you like, and the greatest thing is that it's entirely free. This one too is available globally, so it won't matter where you are coming from. You can practically start making money right now if you have a smartphone or a computer. In this session, I'll show you how to use the correct website and create a free account. In the middle, I'll even give you some tips and unique approaches, so make sure you stick around since those who stay until the finish will get the finest advice. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Okay, so first and foremost, I'd like to introduce to you our special website for today, called Swingbox.com. Our strategy today is centered entirely on this website. This is a brand new website where you will be able to see how you can get paid every 15 seconds. You can make money online by watching a variety of videos and channels, which means there are no limits to how much money you can make here. In a moment, I'll show you how to watch adverts like this and earn money again and over again. This is exactly how all of you will make a lot of money on this website every single day. It's crucial to remember that you can earn money on this website in a variety of methods. To begin, you can make money online by seeing adverts that pay 3 cents per click. Second, you can get $1 by clicking on the clicks grid, which is a fairly amazing approach. You can also earn money by watching videos. Finally, there may be more tasks to accomplish, such as offers and their affiliate program, but for now, let's focus on the first 3 techniques and especially watching videos. I just want to remind you to watch the entire video so you can grasp everything and begin earning money online. But for now, let's get started with the first step, which is creating a free account on Swingbox.com. To do so, simply click the register button on your screen, and that will redirect you to the registration page. This can be done on any available device that you have. I'd like you to fill out your basic information right now, including your full name, username, password, and password confirmation. Then, provide your email address and the payment accounts to which you want to be paid. Perfect Money, Payeer, Bitcoin, Skrill, and AirTM are all available. After that, click on this box that reads, "I'm not a robot." And then on this small box that says, "I agree to the website's rules and regulations." Finally, once you've done all of that, click Register to finish the process of creating your own Swingbox account. To proceed to step 2, you must first log into your account. After that, you'll see a variety of ads and videos to watch in order to make money online. As you can see, this website has a lot of different companies, which means you have a lot of different possibilities for seeing everyday commercials. You'll find a lot of companies here that can provide you with brand new video advertising that will make you money again and again. One thing to keep in mind is that you need the correct company to view the videos and adverts in order to make the most money. I'd like to give you the first bonus tip right now, which is to focus on micro ads. The reason for this is that watching 10-second films can earn you money online, which means that you will earn money with the least amount of time exerted. As you can see, they've switched to a normal video after 10 seconds of the video ad playing. All you have to do now is keep watching and waiting for the next video ad. To elaborate on this procedure, you can earn money just by simply watching 10-second advertisements of the whole video that they provide you. Moving on, I'd like to offer some further advice that will benefit you in the long run. To begin, you can actually turn off the volume of your video by pressing this button. This will allow you to leave the video playing in the background while you work on your device. This is a great tip I'd like to share with you. By clicking on all of the different links from the micro advertisements at the same time, you can actually watch numerous videos at the same time. Another tip is that you can open multiple adverts on different devices. I want you to remember that the more accounts you see, the more device and the more ad-supported videos you watch, the more opportunities you have to make money again and over again. Keep in mind that each video will have 3 to 4 ads, with each ad earning you up to $1. So imagine if you use multiple devices and multiple accounts, that would sum up to a huge amount of money right immediately. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $50, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. I'd like you to go a step further and click on Earn Money, and then click Screen from the drop-down menu. After clicking on that, you will see these small boxes which I would really want you to click. As you can see, doing so gives you a chance to win up to $5. All you have to do now is select a random grid box. To demonstrate, if I click this box right here, a random website will open. And all you have to do is to stay on that page for 10 seconds and you will earn $1. If you're lucky enough to open the unique package, you'll get a $5 bonus right away. That being said, I'd like you to open as many boxes as you can, or even click them all at once and open many tabs in order to receive $1 for every box, and possibly $5 if you open the most special one. Take note, this way of opening up ad-filled boxes will be reset every day at 12 o'clock a.m. As a result, all of these boxes will refresh and you will be able to click on them again to earn a limitless amount of money. On the final note, this is how all people from various countries get real money simply by watching videos. And by following all of the methods and bonus tips that I displayed in this video, you may achieve the same. So make sure you apply them all. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now, onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of the 10 $50 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word watching video ads, and you'll be entered to win once we hit 5,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel, so be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. Once again, this is Online Money Blog, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making the big pile of cash straight into your accounts.